Hey guys, welcome back to Wolf Classics. Wanted to just show you another project that we've had through the door. This particular truck is a 95 NAS truck that the client was effectively saying, you know, we have a V8 in there now, we keep chasing issues, can't really run it, can't really drive it, what are your thoughts? So he really wanted something that he and his family could enjoy, love, you know, he just wanted something that he could daily drive, get out in. So our plan effectively was he's got a numbers matching 3.9 V8 that came standard in this truck, and what we did is ended up pulling all that out with the transmission, transfer case, so it's all original numbers matching components, crated those for him so that at any time down the line he could actually take that crate, reinstall it to the truck if he wanted to sell it for like its overall vintage value. So in the meantime, what we've done is we've installed a 2.3 EcoBoost with a 6-speed manual and just kind of made, you know, a number of subtle changes that just make it still look like it grew there organically. So as you can see, we've changed the color to what's called Buckingham Blue. So it's a nice metallic color that in the right light just absolutely shines like a fishing lure. It's a stunning color in person and really just makes the truck pop. All right, so just wanted to do a simple ride along in this NAS 95 that we've redone with the 6-speed EcoBoost. Just easy going. Typically, you know, it's got enough power to start in second gear. I'm even on a slight uphill right now. But, you know, it's just, you can drive it as comfortably as you want. You know, just kind of rolling along, that sort of thing. Again, I'm on a hill right now. If I wanted to, I've got considerably more under the pedal that just take off. Allows you to drive this thing as easily as you want to, and then it can just, you know, cruise it at speed. Yeah. So it's comfortable, just daily driver, get around town, that sort of thing. It's a ton of fun. So if you're considering different swap options, 2.3 EcoBoost is a great drop-in option for these particular trucks. If your V8 is getting older or tired, you know, we've got solutions for you and we'd love to talk.